Hello, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Alexandrus here, back at it again guys, with another banger. And today I'm really happy and excited to share you my thoughts and my opinion on Q-Defi guys. Q-Defi, empower your financial freedom with Q-Defi. Well, you might ask guys, what's better than having a token in your portfolio that only increases in value? Because you know, it's cool that you hold a token that increases in value, but maybe you want something more. Well, it would be a token that increases in value and also generates passive income in USDT just by holding it. And that's Q-Defi guys. Welcome to Q-Defi. Before we start with the video, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that being said, we can dive right into it. So first of all, I will tell you some things about Q-Defi, then we'll go over their website as we usually do, and I will talk some stuff. I generally speaking plan on doing more videos about them, so I can give you guys like a better exposure of this project, because it's, in my opinion, it's really undervalued. It brings a lot of value, but people don't see it yet. It's not that popular, so you can get in early while it's still possible, okay? But enough talking of, you know, basic stuff. Let's get into the details that we all want to know about. So guys, what is Q-Defi? So Q-Defi actually aims to redefine the concept of DeFi, launched by a dedicated team of ex-bankers and financial market experts guys. Q-Defi offers a straightforward way to earn passive income by eliminating common complexities, limitations and lockup periods. So on paper, this really sounds great. I will pull up their contract as well as that, the audit, obviously. So yes, they have been audited, as you guys can see, and they have 93% score, so they are safe. And you know, I always appreciate when the project get an audit. So currently we are looking at 670 holders guys. I'm looking forward to see this increasing after the video, because it is a project that indeed deserves more than that, okay? You have some of their key benefits, and while talking about that, let's give you some more ideas. So by holding Q-Defi, the token, investors can benefit from price appreciation and earn passive income. The token is backed by sophisticated AI-driven trading and risk management software optimized to execute a variety of trading strategies across derivative, currency and futures markets, and your investment in the token in itself is not affected by that. Okay, so they are not using your money to trade it, okay? You are just getting paid for hodling, okay? So what's in it for you? Well, by holding the Q-Defi token, you will receive monthly airdrops in USDT. There is no lock-ins, no staking periods. You just hold it and earn, okay? And on top of that, you can obviously get advantage of the price appreciation. You can sell it whenever you want, because there is no lockup period, which I hate when it comes to those dividend tokens. I've been into projects like that. I'm still in one actually, where I have locked up, man, like a lot of BNB, and it is locked up, and they are doing like 0.3% per week. So you know, just to give you a rough idea what this, why it's better, why Q-Defi is better, because there is no lockups, okay? So you can basically jump in and out any time you want. You have their key benefits. Our mission is to provide you with a secure, transparent and efficient ecosystem where you can maximize your financial potential. Here's why Q-Defi stands out from the rest. Tokenomics to your favor, transparent fees, simple access, robust AI trading, community rewards and incentives, and on-chain security. The token guys, it is available on Uniswap, very easy to obtain it. As you can see, you can purchase it with your Ethereum, for example, and you can jump into the Q-Defi using Uniswap easily here, okay? You have the TVL, you have all the information, so you can see the transactions. People are jumping in. There is definitely more buy transactions than sell transactions, which always speaks good for the project as well and for the overall potential guys. So this cutting edge software is actually leased to large financial institutions, including aggregated investors, asset managers, hedge funds, private equity firms, family offices and high net worth individuals. And the profits from these lease agreements are redistributed to the token holders as a revenue share. So as I said, they are not using your money to trade. They are basically leasing their unique software to the companies and all of that. And that's how they generate the profit that they distribute to you as well. So since their launch on June 17th, Q-Defi has seen explosive growth, okay? Reaching multiple new all-time highs, guys. They have already listed on 5 exchanges in the first week, including MXC, Probit, 2bit, Bitmart, and XT. And to date, Q-Defi has achieved over $100 million in trading volume. So these are very good statistics, but in my opinion, they still deserve way more than that. You have their whole solution here, how they are unique, okay, how you can earn the returns, and you basically see how this is explained and what I told you in different words. Revenue streams include Bridge API, a fixed charge per million volume traded through our Bridge API, running costs, lease of AI training software, lease of risk management software. So this is really cool because essentially, as I said, like the best part for you if you just want to buy the token is the fact that you can sell it whenever you want, okay? You see that the price appreciation has been pretty good for you. You can sell it, you don't need to hold it, okay? But obviously by holding it, you get to get those dividends as well in USDT, to get these airdrops as they call them. And this is the fact that also speaks volumes for Q-Defi. So you have an explanation how it works. They have a full dedicated white paper into that, which I recommend you to go ahead and read. It's a short read. They have a nice explanation here of every single thing. You also have the token distribution chart, the overall tokenomics, and as you guys can see, the team, advisors, all of that is also vested. So the team is here for the long game, obviously, guys. You have the roadmap, which we'll get back into in just a second. You also have the whole philosophy here and all of that. So guys, let's have a look at CoinMarketCap. They are also on CoinGecko. You know that I'm a fan of CoinMarketCap, so that's why I'm on CoinMarketCap. So Q-Defi, guys, is also listed and tracked on CN Token, A.ai, CoinMarketCap, as you can see, Gecko, as I said. So this is ensuring the maximum visibility when it comes to the tracking websites. And potential investors can buy Q-Defi on the Flows platform using a credit or debit card, which is also cool for the people that are new to crypto or that basically just like investing that way, okay? So TVL and liquidity lock. This is what you might be also interested in, guys. So on the passive income side, we'll talk about this in just a second, but back to the TVL, guys. In just 1 month, the ecosystem's total value locked has grown to over $2 million with a secure liquidity lock on UNCX. And the team has participated in over 25 AMAs, engaging with communities on Telegram, Twitter, X, and Binance Live. So guys, follow them on Twitter. As you can see, I'm watching closely here because I'm very much interested in this project particularly. You can also see the AMAs. They are very active. They are doing these AMAs every single time, guys. Like, you know, they have participated in over 25 of them. Binance Live, fully transparent, you know. That's what I always love about those projects, when they engage with the community, when they do the AMAs, because it builds the relationship with the community, with the investors. Same when it comes to the Telegram, guys. You can join the group, meet me here as well if you want, I guess. Communicate with the team, communicate with the community, you know, engage with each other. If you have any questions, you can also ask them, okay? All right, so guys, airdrops, okay? Airdrops, as I said. So getting back to the passive income, guys, there is over $40,000 that has been airdropped to holders within 3 weeks of launch, guys. And with revenue shares set to increase as more income is generated by the technology lease agreements, this can be much more than that. So Q-Defi, guys, is built on Ethereum blockchain, making it easily accessible to holders with $500,000 locked in liquidity on Unicrypt for a year. Q-Defi provides stability and security for all. So you can join them, you can start earning today, guys. You can visit the website, follow their social medias, as I said, jump into this X, jump into the Telegram. I don't know why I'm calling this X, this will be Twitter for me forever, but yeah, basically follow them, guys. It is a nice token that deserves much more community than they already have, okay? So they have a lot of those unique aspects, guys, such as this AI-driven trading and risk management software. The safety and transparency is also there, you know, the secure liquidity lock, open communication through AMAs, audit of the contract, right? And all of that. So this also shows you that they are here for the long run. Community engagement, rewards, as you can see, you have the reward mechanism also explained on the website. So Yeah, I'm pretty sure they will be adding more info here as well, but overall guys, I'm looking forward. If you will obviously like this video, if you'll show that you are interested, if you are bullish on Q-Defi, I will work out more videos for you, same as we did with other projects. Whenever you show engagement guys, whenever you are interested, I will deliver for you to basically explain you each and every single thing that you want to know. So let me know in the comment section, maybe you have any questions regarding Q-Defi guys, or generally you want to learn more. Before jumping in, I will be here for you guys. Let's hit 2000 likes under this video guys, and we will do more videos. Okay, so that will be it from me for today. I hope that you enjoyed, and thank you so much guys for watching this video, and see you in the next ones coming out soon.